What up? It's your man DJ Empty Beast, and I'm just gonna say this: Nike, you outdone yourself with this one. You know what I'm saying? I have not looked at the shoe yet, so I'm excited about opening this box. It just came in the mail today. Now, I will say this: what's so dope about this shoe right here, and what we are talking about, is the Nike Air Max 1 Big Head mode. All right, I feel like the inspiration from these shoes is coming from Nintendo 64 games. I might be wrong, but I might be. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm right on this one. All right, the first one, I feel like it had a real Donkey Kong influence on this one. Now this one is the game. If it wasn't for this game right here, it wouldn't be no Call of Duty. It wouldn't be no Apex. It wouldn't be no first person shooting games. And I'm talking about that Nintendo 64 legendary GoldenEye 007. James Bond. Yes, sir. I remember me and my homies, man, staying up for hours over each other's house playing this game. And if you had 4 controllers, oh boy, it was on. You know what I'm saying? We fighting to see who can get Ob Job. We going, man, Complex. Do y'all remember that, man? Like, I'm reminiscing right now, and I'm telling you, this shoe right here, I'm excited to open it because it's not only my favorite pair of shoe by Nike right now, but you also has been inspired by my favorite game. All right, let's go ahead and open this box up. Now, let's talk about the box first. It's gray, you know what I'm saying? It's clean. It's got the swoosh on the side. It's also got the Nike.com on the side. Enough about the box. What is in it, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up, okay? Now, like I said, what's so dope about this is because I feel like Nike hasn't officially said it, but this is powered by GoldenEye 007 on Nintendo 64. If you haven't played it, man, good luck finding it. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, so we open the box. We got paper. We got more paper, and oh my God. All right, Lord have mercy. This is what I'm talking about right here, guys. Look at that. What you think? This is our first look right here, and it's definitely powered by the James Bond 007 Nintendo 64. The color wave by itself, it complements James Bond's tuxedo. I would say that the gold laces right here represents the gold gun. Oh, they shut it down right here. Anybody that was a James Bond fan, you know, once you touch, when you pause the game, the classic beat, boom, 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 boom. We all used to rap to it. The pause menu is right here. We also got in the inside, man, you know what I'm saying? This is what you aim with, you know what I mean? I love it. Nike, y'all definitely did y'all thing. This was worth the wait, all right? It doesn't have the usual curves that the Nike Air Max would have. It's more squared off, man. The thick tongue, y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all the tongue. The tongue is extra thick. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little thick and tired of you. But outside of this, y'all, like me being an Air Max fan and me also being a fan, a gamer of this GoldenEye 007. I feel like this is heavily inspired by it. I'm gonna have to give this a 10 out of a 10, all right? So, I mean, that's me opening the box to these Nike Air Max 1 Big Head modes, man. I am excited about this. Am I going to wear it? I don't know, but I want to know how you feel about this. Give it a rank, 1 through 10. You know what I'm saying? Nike, did y'all do y'all thing, or did y'all do y'all thing? Shout out to the creators at Nike, and man, definitely shout out to the legendary game, James Bond 007. I am excited, and I am glad I got me a pair of these. You know what I'm saying? Well worth the wait. I'm DJ Empty Beast, man. You know what to do. Make sure your rooms is changing. Surround yourself around dope people such as yourself. And 2 fingers up, y'all, as peace. Woo! That motherfucker is hard.